Hello, this is the luckiest maths teacher in the world. Today we're learning about area. Now again, I'm not going to insult your intelligence and give you heaps of easy shapes to solve like the area of a square. I know you already know that. But you may not know how to find the area of a sector, so I'm going to show you that. So last time we found the perimeter of a sector. To find the area, it's the same principle, just a slightly different formula. So remember, to find the perimeter of a sector, we found the circumference or the perimeter of the whole circle, and then we multiplied by the fraction of a circle that we have. So similarly here, we're going to find the area as if it were a whole circle, and then multiply by the fraction of a circle that we have. So the formula for the area of a circle is area equals pi times r squared. Remember, pi is 3.14159 and so on. The ratio of the circumference to the diameter of a circle. So it's just a number. R is just the radius. So this is how we would find the area of a whole circle. So if we want to find the area of a sector, which is a piece of the circle cut out, like a slice of pie that has to go to the center of the circle. If we want to find its area, we find the area of the whole circle, but we times by the fraction of a circle we have, and that is found by finding the angle subtended by that arc and dividing that by 360. So if that doesn't make any sense, let's just do a quick example. So I'm going to find the area of this sector over here. So area equals pi times radius squared, but we need to times by the angle over 360 because we have 134 3/60ths of a circle. So we just put that in our calculator, and the answer we should get is about 94.72. That's around 2 decimal places, of course. And the units is whatever units we're given squared because we're finding area. Okay, I'm just going to do one more example with a composite shape. So let's say I want to find the area of this shape here. So it's not a shape that we know, it's actually a few shapes put together. So this is what we call composite shape. Composite meaning it's made up of more than one, so it's made up of more than one shape. So all we do is find the area of each of the individual shapes and then add those areas together. So let's do that. So the first thing I'm going to write it like this, which means area of the rectangle. That's easy to find. It's just this part here, length times width. By the way, if you ever get stuck for the formula, they're all in your notes, so please make sure you have a look at those notes. So I found the area of the rectangle, and I just need to find the area of each of these, okay? They are the exact same size, so I only need to find the area of one and then double it. So the area of the semicircle, similar to what I was just showing you with the area of a sector, so this is pi times radius. So the radius is 7 because it goes from the circumference to the center of the whole circle, if there was a whole circle like that, if it kept going to a whole circle. So the radius is 7. That's not the diameter, so make sure that you don't get mixed up with that. So pi times radius squared, this is half a circle, so I'm going to times it by a half, and then because there's 2 of these, I'm going to times that whole thing by 2. So I just put this on my calculator, and I get, again, to 2 decimal places, 153.94 centimeters squared. So that's both the circles put together. So the total area is the area of the rectangle added to the area of both the circles, which just equals to 2 decimal places, 209.94, and we're still in centimeters squared. Okay, so the area of any composite shape is just the same. Divide it into shapes that you do know, and then add all those areas up. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Have a great day.